Hello and welcome to this POV review of Tesla Model 3 in this beautiful winter. So 2021 Tesla Model 3. We have the 20-inch U-bar turbine wheels with Michelin Pilot Sport Alpine tires. And we have the midnight great metallic color. We have officially 513 or 520 horsepower depending on the market, measured 550 horsepower from the dual electric motor. So now let's head to this beautiful winter road and see what this vehicle is capable of. So we have this sport sound. Currently installed in the vehicle, the Porsche Taycan eSport sound. Let's switch on the Santa mode. It should be able to activate only with the voice command ho ho ho. So let's try it. Ho ho ho. Yes, and we have the Santa mode. Our car became the Santa's sleigh. We can see this beautiful winter landscape in front of us. So how the vehicle is behaving in the winter? I still haven't measured the actual consumption difference. It have slightly increased in the consumption, yes, but it's roughly even below 10% difference. So it's like around 10% more consumption in the winter, but this is if you precondition the car from the outlet before leaving. If you precondition it using the battery and you do very short trips, so for example the car is not plugged in, it's cold, negative temperature Celsius, and then you get in the car and start the heating, or you preheat it from the phone, then the consumption is like, if you drive for less than, let's say, 3 kilometers, the consumption is double. So you have consumption for the heating more than the consumption for the actual propulsion. But if you do the wise thing to just preheat the battery before leaving from the mains voltage, then there are no any issues and the consumption is pretty much the same. Okay, maybe more than 10%. I still haven't measured the actual percentage, but it is not huge. And this is the heat pump version of the Tesla Model 3, so it's the 2021 model year. This is from the earliest ones. This is the beginning of 2021. For example, some of the components are manufactured on the first days of the year. But yep, it's not so bad during the winter. Yes, if you have the version with the PTC heater, the consumption will be much worse. We can hear the turn signal sound is now Santa's bells. We can hear the artificial sound in the back. This one-of-one car with this sound, so you can check in the channel the other videos about it. But yeah, we can hear it very well, and it is nice. It's not so bad. It turns out to be quite nice. Quite a lot of traffic today. It's second day of Christmas. Beautiful, beautiful winter. But the car have no issues with the winter. So thanks for watching and see you next time.